Hey guys, Tony here. I want to make a quick TA on Doggy right now. Personally, I did see this recent slowdown in price. We didn't break that top. Actually, we are retesting this 37, 38 price point, right? This 38 price zone. As of right now, I do see a sell coming down. I might do a push back to probably around 30 cents. I think it might actually come back and test around this level right here, around this 28, 29, 30 cent mark. We have to gauge to see how strong that push down it actually is. Because I'm telling you right now, as soon as this day MACD crosses on the green, that little green bubble gets created, we're creating tops on the stochastic. So if this gets created and there's a big push on the downside, it's looking like we might correct all the way back down to where, I don't know how far back we're going to correct, but it does look like we might see a heavy push down. But again, we need to see how high we actually go on the 4 hour, like how far down we actually push. We just crossed over on the bearish side. You guys can see the sell-off from 41 cents all the way down to lows of 35 cents. So you guys can see a sell-off right there, right? But we need to see how strong this push down is. I do think that maybe we might go all the way back down to 29, maybe 30 cents. Or we're either going to go down to 29, 30 cents, rebound and push back up, or we're going to be staying around this level and just kind of trading flat here. But the real important thing right now is going to be this crossover on the MACD, which is kind of a coincidence because tomorrow's 420, and unless this actually breaks to the bottom, we might see a big sell-off on Doggy. So we have to really wait and see. I think today and tomorrow is going to be a really big day. I think the next stop for Doggy, coincidentally, is actually 69 cents on the fib level. The fib level that we just hit peaks at was around 44, 45 cents. But like I said, coincidentally, 69 cents is the next fib level on the upward side. If we do manage to cross this 44, 45 cent mark, break it, come back down, retest, I do think that we're well underway to going up to 69 cents. But again, we need to really see how Doggy trades today and tomorrow to actually determine if it's going to be going up, down, or sideways. As of right now, I do think that we might have a slight pullback back down to like the 35. Maybe we see a retrace to 28 cents. But I think for the most part, because we did break to the upside of this 38 cent mark, we might just trade sideways. But again, I could be wrong. We just have to wait and see. We did create that sell-off right now. I do think the sell-off on average, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 4 is what, 36? So I think for the next 36 hours, on average, it does look like we might be bearish on Doggy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. So maybe the next 24 to 36 hours, we might be bearish on Doggy, strictly based on the previous 4 hour charts and how long these actually last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so minimum, I think 20, 24 hours. Like maybe like from right now up until tomorrow at 7 o'clock, you guys might see, trading flat or going down unless there's a big volume push towards the upside. So I'll see you guys later.